landlords since a century, and then I said the 19th century. And the major resentment, the major I said that provoking this landlord because of their land security, because of their land rent, because of their, ये word याद रखना होगा. And then because of their, I said that tenancy, because of their, what I said that different kind of separation and exactions. So now, in the 1921, what happened? One of the Congress leader come, and then local Congress leader come and then provoke and help them to what? Increase their movement, and therefore the movement has been increased. And thereafter again the Hindu landlord, and in between Congress also come, Gandhiji also came under the Congress, Khilafat movement also come, Muhammad Ali, Shaukat Ali, Maulana Azad, everyone come, and they started supporting it. And this movement was going very high. In between Khilafat leaders and I said that non-cooperation movement, revolutionary leaders have been put behind the jail. Therefore, this movement, this Mopila rebellion has been detached the support of Congress and Khilafat. So what happened suddenly in such situation? What happened? I said that one of the leader of Mopilas, its name was Ali Musaliyar, and then Ali Musaliyar has been arrested. On the basis of that, the Mopilas have attacked on the all British building, चाहे वो कोर्ट हो या पुलिस स्टेशन हो या any kind of British official houses हो, everywhere they have attacked. Even the exchequer, banking system, everywhere they have attacked. And when they have attacked, in between the Mopilas has seen that have seen that Hindu landlords are making a discussion or conspiracy. It isn't looking like conspiracy, and that has been spread that Hindu landlord has made the British, and उसके बाद British ने क्या किया? Suppressed and repressed this. So they started thinking that it is not good, and then they come into the communal riot, Hindu and Muslim. Now, but after this situation, neither Khilafat nor I said that Congress supported, and this movement is finally, I said that, suppressed. So we have been able to see that it has got very importance, और जो आपने देखा, it is a landlord revolt के साथ साथ, rebellion के साथ साथ, it become political, and then it become, I said that, communal. Understood? Now Bardoli Satyagraha. Which one I said that? And Bardoli, and if you know that Bardoli is one of the taluka and one of the block region in the, I said that, Surat district. किस district में है? It is in the Surat district, Bardoli. And Bardoli में यहाँ पे crop failure नहीं है. Bardoli in 1928, it is not in a crop failure. ये कैसा situation था? Yes. In this one, there is an, I said that they have increased the land tax. They have increased the land tax by 30%. Actually में 1928 जो situation था, 1928, 29, 30, the world was facing economic depression. Actually the world was facing what? Economic depression. Therefore they need a high demand, there is a high demand of some currency and then some money and economic circulation. So therefore they are facing, therefore they have increased the 30%. And जब ये situation आया, then suddenly the Congress come to know about, and he put in a Congress working committee has put in a survey and commission on it to find out the real cause of it. And when they found some understanding, yes, there is a need of what? Support. Therefore he called upon one of their, leader, name was Sir Vallabhbhai Patel. And Vallabhbhai Patel को he sent it to Bardoli. And जब कोई leader आ गया Bardoli में to lead him, then especially the women in the Bardoli, they said that you are Sardar for me. You are? He said that Sardar. When he come over there, he said that do not pay land revenue. They said that do not pay land revenue until unless there should be independent tribunal or they are ready to take the current tax. दो चीजें कर लो, या तो you take your current tax or you are, I'm not going to pay until unless you will put an independent tribunal where the people are independent, they can be able to give not biased decision on. And I said that because generally Britishers के द्वारा बनाया जाएगा, the decision will be taken in the favor of. Therefore they have been said something, and they are not going to pay the rent and then Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and then along with the women, and then several in the taluka, several villages are there. He sat over there in the Bardoli, और लगभग 10-15 कैंप बनाया उन्होंने, 10 to 15 कैंप, एंड उन्होंने बारदोली सत्याग्रह पत्रिका छपवाया, जर्नल, or the women become the high level of participation and then started distributing this thing also. Or it has been said that ki anyone, or it has been made that clear, any farmer who is thinking to what go and pay the tax, they will have to face the social boycott. They have to face the social boycott. ये बहुत बड़ा हो गया, अब कोई भी नहीं देना है, किसी को नहीं देना है बारदोली में. In between there is an, I said that one of the I said that the portion in the Bengal Legislative Assembly, and then I said that Bombay सभी जगह होता है, sorry in Bombay Legislative Council में one of the portion is there K.M. Munshi. I said that K.M. Munshi has resigned and they become the part of it, and then one of the portion is Lalji also. So K.M. Munshi, Lalji, he, what I said that he resigned that from this kind of what is in a Bombay Legislative Council, and he become the part of it. Understood? And at the same time in 1926 में ये start हुआ था story, and it goes till the 1928. In the 1928 even the rail strike is going to happen. What is going to happen? Rail strike is going to happen. And then in such situation, February month 1928, Gandhi thought, if I will not go, this is in a situation where the emergency is there and I should be there. If the situation will be adverse, then I will come in front. And he went to the Bardoli if the situation will be worse. Now they have made reduce the tax instead of 30% to what? 6.03%. Understood? Finally, again Bardoli Satyagraha started by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel become successful. I said that again. What is Bardoli Satyagraha? In the Bardoli Satyagraha in 1926, I said that the British government has increased the, I said that tax by 30%, land revenue tax, and against this the people are not happy, and when they started some kind of small movement, and therefore that Congress working committee has said that put in a what commission on it to find out what is the real situation in it. And when they find out the real situation and they are confirmed yes it is correct, they have sent Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel to what? कहाँ भेज दिया उन्होंने? Bardoli, and then he started supporting it. And then Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in the all villages and here and there, they have searched out and they have said that women are greatest participation, and they have given the title of Sardar to Bardoli ki koi leader आ गया, हमारा सरदार आ गया. And then they have also बारदोली पत्रिका, बारदोली सत्याग्रह पत्रिका भी उन्होंने जर्नल निकाला, इसमें क्लियर मेंशन था. And the women are taking a largest participation, and they said that कि any farmer from this Bardoli region, they are going to what is going to pay the tax, they will face what? Social boycott. So complete. And जब ये situation काफी बढ़ते चला जा रहा था, then I said that K.M. Munshi and Lalji from the Bombay Legislative Council, they have also resigned to show their aggression toward this of increasing the tax. Another I said that I said that of situation, and now rail strike, train strike is going to happen, and in such situation Gandhi came and started what? In the case of emergency they will lead it. But finally the government, what I said that they finally said that okay, and we will reduce the, what I said that we will reduce that rent by how much? 6.03%. Understood? So we have seen which I said that Bardoli Satyagraha, and then K. Munshi Lalji and all. So 6.03% instead of 30%. Now next one we are going to see यूपी किसान सभा. दोबारा मैंने कल बोला था, तो आज का डेट कौन कौन सा पीरियड देखा, विच आर द पीरियड वी हैव सीन. आई सेड दैट first one I said 1859, that is I said that Indigo revolt. 1870 it is I said that Pabna. 1875 Deccan riots. 1879 Ramos's revolt, and 1913 Bizolia. and 1917 Satyagraha, Champaran Satyagraha, 1918 Kheda, and 1928 it is, I said, Bardoli Satyagraha. Now we are going to see that UP Kisan Sabha and then Eka movement, and then we are going to see, I said, All India Kisan Sabha. Which are the three? UP Kisan Sabha, Eka movement, and All India Kisan Sabha. Understood it? Which are we are going to see? 1918 again, 18, 21, 36. 18, 21. So 1918 में which I said another revolt was taking place in the Awadh region, UP Kisan Sabha. Which one I said that? UP Kisan Sabha. And 1921 Eka movement and All India Kisan Sabha, it is, I said that 1936. If we'll come to the UP Kisan Sabha, you know that UP Kisan Sabha में हमने बोला था कौन थे हमारे यूपी के किसान जनरली किससे पूजा किए? गौरी से, गौरी शंकर मिश्रा. अंडरस्टूड. फिर उसके बाद आगे बढ़े, किसके आगे? दो लोग, इंद्र एंड नारायण, इंद्र नारायण द्विवेदी. और उसके बाद थोड़ा सा और ऊपर बढ़े तो वहां पे कौन नजर आया? मदन मोहन मालवीय, भगवान जी. Understood? These are the three important leaders were there who have contributed in this revolt. So if you'll see that what happened after the 1857 revolt. Revolt हुआ था सिपाही mutiny. And then you know that उससे पहले ये सारा लैंड ले लिया गया था. I said that you know that because of this Awadh region has been taken, then Talukdar and then Jamindar's land has been taken by the misgovernance done by the Awadh Nawabs. Therefore, they have taken and they have through the policy of earlier subsidiary alliance, it has been taken during the period of Dalhousie. और ये सारे लैंड अंडर में आ चुका था. जैसे ही ये 1857 रिवॉल्ट खत्म हुआ तो सभी लैंड को रिटर्न किया गया यहाँ पर. And then I said that उसमें से some of the what is Talukdar and Jamindars started increasing the tax whatever they can. So what they started doing, I said that they started doing high rent. They started doing क्या करने लगे वो? हाई रेंट. हाई रेंट समझते हैं ना? पर ईयर आपको इतना देना है. टेनेंसीज कितने साल के लिए आपको लैंड रहेगा. अंडरस्टूड. एंड देन या आप रेगुलर टेनेंट ही रहोगे. अंडरस्टूड. जनरली आप क्या है, हम लोग को गवर्नमेंट ने 99 ईयर्स के लिए टेनेंट्स बनाया हुआ है. कोई भी लैंड पे हमारा ये बना दिया गया ना लीज, हमें गवर्नमेंट सारा लैंड किसका है. एंड बट इट हैज बीन गिवन फॉर यू टू यू, चाहे स्कूल हो, कॉलेजेस हो, एवरीथिंग हैज बीन गिवन फॉर 99 ईयर्स देन ऑन द लीज. एंड आफ्टर दैट इट इज इन अ रिन्यूअल प्रोसेस गोस ऑन. यस. तो जितनी भी लैंड है दैट इज गोज थ्रू द व्हाट इज आई सेड दैट सम काइंड ऑफ रिन्यूअल प्रोसेस आफ्टर द पीरियड ऑफ 99 ईयर्स. तो यहां पर भी आप देखेंगे कि जब इनको ये लैंड मिला तो ये जान रहे थे कि अब तो लैंड मेरा है, तो इन्होंने हाई रेंट बढ़ाया. टेनेंसी नहीं. टेनेंसी इज समथिंग पीरियड. So farmers are not getting also problem of tenancy. So दूसरा था कि I hire and then there is an eviction जिसको बोला जाता है कि you have to remove from the land. Summary eviction means बेदखल कर देना. ये land आप ही है and then आप that is in your right but it has been removed. बेदखली the farmers are also facing बेदखली and then illegal levies means different kind of taxes they are putting. Illegal का मतलब है कि British government has not made any such kind of law. क्योंकि उस समय गवर्नमेंट किसकी चल रही थी? ब्रिटिश की. एंड देन लॉ व्हिच हैज बीन मेड बाय द गवर्नमेंट दैट इज नोन एज अ लीगल एंड व्हिच इज नॉट अकॉर्डिंग टू द लॉ इट इज नोन एज इलीगल. सो इलीगल लेवीज एंड टैक्सेस. रिन्यूअल ऑफ फीस और नजराना. यस और नॉट. आप इतना कर दोगे, ऐसा आपको करेंगे, इतना रहेगा तो ऐसा करेंगे. तो हमेशा एक प्रेशर रहता था कि आपको अपने यहाँ से दूध लाना है, कुछ न कुछ आपको. आप पता ही होगा, आप लोग देखते होंगे कि अपने गांव घर में भी if you must have seen that if you are in a what higher in the society in your houses या कोई और दूसरे जगह भी देखा होगा, लोग दही लाएंगे अपने यहाँ से, कुछ न कुछ लाकर आपके यहाँ देते रहेंगे. नहीं सर बाबूजी आपके लिए है, आप खाइए, हमारे यहाँ का गाय है. ऐसा अपने घर में थोड़ा सा ही खाया उन्होंने, बच्चों को जन एंड देन यू नो दैट सेवरल थिंग्स दैट दे यूज्ड टू डू नजराना. तो ये नजराना उस समय से स्टार्ट हो गया. इट इज इन अ काइंड ऑफ रिन्यूअल फीस और नजराना. तो एक प्रकार से आप सामने वाले की चापलूसी करने लग रहे हैं, यस और ना। ये एक चापलूसी सिस्टम आज भी आप पता नहीं आज के डेट में है कि नहीं है। I have taken lot, I mean, it's a period of duration. The duration I said that 10-15 years to go into the village areas and the rural areas to see such situation. So that is, I said that Narajarana kind of situation again made the farmers to